In the question above, we are to determine the mass of sodium hydroxide that will be produced by 2.3 grams of sodium. So the first step is to write out the chemical equation showing the reaction between sodium and water. After writing out the chemical equation, we'll check if it is a balanced chemical equation. So here we have equal number of sodium on both sides, that is 2. For hydrogen is balanced. We have 4 in the reactant side, in the product side we have 4 as well, 2 plus 2, that's 4. And for oxygen we have 2 atoms present in the reactant side, and in the product side we have 2 as well. After writing out a balanced chemical equation, the next thing is to calculate the reacting mass of the substance involved, which are sodium and sodium hydroxide. So let's start with sodium. To calculate the reacting mass, we'll be using a formula which is moles multiplied by the molar mass. And in this case, the moles will be gotten from the coefficient of the substance in the chemical equation, and that is why we need a balanced chemical equation. So for sodium, the number of moles present according to the equation here is 2, and the mass is 23. That is the molecular mass of sodium. So here I'll say reacting mass of sodium equals the number of moles, which is 2, multiplied by the mass, that's 23, the atomic mass rather. So calculating this, we have 46, and our unit will be in grams. In the case of sodium hydroxide, we need to calculate the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Now the sum of the atomic mass of the elements present. So we have sodium to be 23 plus oxygen, which is 16, plus hydrogen 1. Calculating this, we have 40. And then reacting mass of sodium hydroxide, and that is equal to 80 grams. Now we've calculated the reacting mass of the two substances involved. Let's go back to the question. We have been asked to calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide produced by 2.3 grams of sodium. And from what we just did, now we can state that 46 grams of sodium will yield 80 grams of sodium hydroxide. So if we have 2.3 grams of sodium, how many grams of sodium hydroxide will be produced? And to do that, we'll be making use of the relationship formula. 46 grams of sodium produced 80 grams of sodium hydroxide. If we have 2.3 grams of sodium, we will produce S grams of sodium hydroxide. From here we make S the subject. S equals 2.3 grams multiplied by 80 grams divided by 46 grams, and this is equivalent to 4.0 grams. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the mass of sodium hydroxide that will be produced to be 4.0 grams. That will be all. Don't forget to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.